Dear students, a very good afternoon to all of you. Today we will study about the multimedia input devices. Now following are the most used input devices in multimedia systems. Number 1 is keyboard. Now most common and very popular most common and very popular input device is keyboard. The keyboard helps in inputting the data to the computer. The layout of the keyboard is like that of a traditional typewriter. Although keys are provided additionally for performing some special functions. Now in this, the keyboards are of two sizes, 84 keys or 101 or 102 keys. But now 104 or 108 keys keyboards are also available. Now in this we have different type of keys. First we have typing keys. These keys include letters from A to Z, capital A to Z, from digits 0 to 9. We generally give some layout. It is used to enter numeric data or cursor movement. Now next one is numeric keypads. It is used to enter numeric data or cursor movement. It consists of a set of 17 keys that are laid out in the same configuration. Now in this, just like we have a calculator, is a good example of numeric keypads. Next one is function keys. Now there are 12 function keys. These are arranged in a row along the top of the keyboard. Each function key has a unique meaning and is used for some specific purpose. Now, the fourth one is control keys. Now, these keys provide cursor and screen control. It includes four directional arrows, control key also include home key, end key, insert key, delete key, page up, page down, control, alternate, escape. Now the fifth one keys are special purpose keys. Now keyboard also contain some special purpose keys such as we have enter key, we have shift key, we have caps key, we have lock, we have number lock, we have tab, space bar, and print screen. These keys have special purpose like print screen to print the screen, to capture the screen, space bar to give a space, tab to give a space of 4, etc., etc. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.